Your C-Campus funding agreement contains important information regarding your reward and financial responsibilities. If you scroll down to page 2 of your funding agreement, you will find 6 important areas. Area 1, this is the date that your child care assistance will begin. Area 2 is the date that your child care assistance ends. It is very important to pay close attention to your service period. Area 3 is your weekly rate. Should you choose to pay weekly, this is the amount due each week. Area 4 is your monthly rate. Should you make monthly payments, this is the amount that's due each month. Area 5 is your student semester balance. This is the total balance for the entire funding period. And finally, Area 6, this is the date that your semester balance is due.